Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to create and understand custom component dialog box in Tekla Structures. If you are working with custom components and struggling with INP file, so this video is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you will understand how to create tabs and parameters, and you will be able to create your own custom dialog box from the scratch. So let's get started. So this is my custom component and I have given name as test connection, and these are the parameters. Tab 1 I have given as parameter 1, and my tab 2 is TGM group, and these are the variables which I have defined. So now let's go to INP file and let's see how the interface looks like. So this is my INP file, and this is the name of my custom component, test connection, and this is my tab 1, that is parameter 1, and these are the variables which I have defined like diameter, grade, gauge, so on. And here I have defined the sequence like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So at any point of time, if you want grade to be on top, you can just change the value as 1, and you can change this to 2. So in this way we can arrange the sequence of our variables. And here I have attached a picture, and the name of the picture is test pic, and 250 defines the x distance from the left side, and 350 defines the y direction, that is the vertical direction from the top, and 200 and 150 defines the pixel size of the image, and image must be in BMP format. And this is my tab 2, that is TGM group, and here I have defined number 2, that is my tab 2, and these are the parameters which I have defined, and this is the sequence. And now let's see how my user interface looks like. So we have seen parameter 1, and these are my variables, and this is my parameter 2, TGM group, and these are my variables. So in this way we can easily create our custom component dialog box. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment your doubts, and subscribe for more Tekla Structure tutorials. Thank you.